Good morning, children. As we were doing exercise 12.1, so let's continue with the same exercise. I'm starting question number 5. This is very important question, and the question is find the value of m. I'm just showing you the question. Find the value of m for which 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. We are having this 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power m. 5 to the power 5, sorry. We have to find the value of m. So we have so many ways to solve this question. Let's discuss one of them. So it is 5 to the power m in left hand side divided by 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. Okay, so we have a formula a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So you can use that formula 5 to the power m divide, we are having divide here, so minus, and the n is minus 3. So it will be 5 to the power m minus minus 3 is equals to 5 to the power m 5. So it will be 5 to the power m minus minus plus 3 is equals to 5 to the power 5. Now we have one new thing here. If we are having, this is new thing for you, a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, then if, as you know, this a is base, so if bases are same, then we can consider the powers same. It means we can write m is equals to n. If a to the power m is equals to a to the power n, then we can write m is equals to n. This is very important and new. So same rule we can apply here. So it will be m plus 3 is equals to 5. So m is equals to 5 minus 3. This is 2. Okay, so this is the solution. Now question number 6. It's again simple question. This is evaluate. What we have to evaluate, this is first part, 1 upon 3 to the power minus 1 minus 1 upon 4 to the power minus 4, sorry, this is minus 1 again, and whole to the power minus 1. We have to evaluate this. Now, as I told you when I started exponents and powers, we have to make it positive. So 1 upon 3 to the power minus 1, it will be 3 upon 1. If we will be interchanging, if we will be taking reciprocal, the sign of power will be changed. 3 upon 1 to the power 1 minus 4 upon 1 to the power 1 whole to the power minus 1. This is not changed yet. Now this 3 to the power 1 means 3 minus 4 to the power 1 means 4 whole to the power minus 1. Again this is 3 minus 4, this is minus 1 to the power minus 1. If we want to change the sign of this, it will be 1 upon minus 1. Please be careful, to the power 1. So finally 1 upon minus 1, this will be minus 1 to the power 1, it means it is minus 1. This is very good question. So second part, I think you can do it. I am doing 7th question, first part. This is simplify. What we have to simplify, this is 25 into t to the power minus 4 upon 5 to the power 3. What formula we have used here? This is a to the power 1 upon a to the power minus m is equals to a to the power m. Like this we can use. Okay, 5 to the power minus 3 and multiplied by 10 to the power minus 8, where t is not equal to 0. Okay, so first of all we have to try to make the negative powers positive, so it will be 25 into, wherever we have negative powers we'll change their sides, means if they are in denominator we'll take these in numerator, so that the powers will be, so the sign of powers will be changed. So it is 5 to the power 3, be careful, multiplied by, this is negative, this will become positive if we'll take this in numerator. Okay, and now here we have 10 and t to the power 4. Is it clear? It's very simple. We are just applying the formula a to the power minus m is equals to 1 upon a to the power m. Okay, so it will be 5 to the 10, 5 5 the 25. So it is 5 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 4, means into 5 to the power 3. It will be 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. You can multiply this, multiplied by, it is a to the power m upon a to the power n. So a to the power m minus n divided by 2. 5 5 is 25, 125, 625. 625 upon 2 multiplied by t to the power 4. So it is 625 upon 2 multiplied by t to the power 4. So this is answer of this. Thank you so much.